Good morning, it's Marcus Francis back with the weather forecast. So today the weather forecast for the day. It's currently overcast and cloudy. It's currently 47 degrees in Madisonville. Wind is out of the west-southwest at 15 miles per hour. Dew point is 31 degrees, and it feels like 41 degrees as we have a wind chill, making it feel 6 degrees cooler than the actual air temperature. The sun rose this morning at 7:19 a.m. and the sun will set at 8:02 p.m. As you go throughout the day, it's expected to be cloudy with a high around 52. Winds will be out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. We'll hold on to 11% chance of rainfall coverage. The wind will be out of the west at 15 miles per hour. And the UV index is moderate at a 5. And as you go throughout the night tonight, it's expected to be cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy after midnight. It's on to a slight chance of a rain shower throughout the evening. A low around 35. Winds will be out of the west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rain coverage is 24%. Wind will be out of the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. And the moon phase will be a waning crescent. As we look at satellite and radar composite, we're overcast and cloudy. We have light rain showers into Blount County, south of Knoxville, east of Harriman, north of Harriman, east of Clinton, and into portions of Maynardville and Morristown, and a mixture of rain and snow into portions of Watersville, Tusculum, Johnson City, Bristol, and Kingsport, Tennessee. We also have winter weather advisory in effect for the high elevations of the mountains. We can see upwards up to 3 to 6 inches of snow in the high elevations of the Smoky Mountains in the Appalachians of the Tennessee Valley. And everywhere else in Tennessee, we can see light rain showers occasionally, but generally for the west of the Tennessee Valley and Cone Plateau and northern and central and southern valley, generally overcast and cloudy throughout the day. When I take a look at the 8-day forecast, for a day, it's expected to be a 40% chance of AM scattered to spotty rain showers with a high around 50 and a low of around 36. Then for your Friday, we're expected to be a 10% chance of a very slight chance of a stray rain shower with mountain snow. High around 51, low around 33. Then for your Saturday, we do expect it to be mostly sunny with intervals of clouds with a high around 60 and a low of around 34. Then for your Sunday, it's expected to be sunny and clear with abundant sunshine with a high of around 67 and a low of around 48. Then for your Monday of next week, it's expected to be an AM 40% chance of scattered to spotty rain showers, otherwise sunny and partly cloudy, with a high around 70 and a low of around 52 as we try to attract our next weather system to move into the Tennessee Valley. Then for your Tuesday, it's expected to be scattered to spotty to scattered rain showers, hold on to a 40% chance of precipitation in the PM, afternoon, and evening hours with a high around 72 and a low of around 54. Then for your Wednesday, it's expected to be overcast and cloudy with a 40% chance of scattered rain showers. As highs will be in low 70s around 73 degrees and a low of around 60 degrees. Then for your Thursday, we do expect it to be a 60% chance of on and off rainfall throughout the day, as it will be overcast and cloudy, with a high of around 72 degrees. So please like the video if you did enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. God bless you. And I'll do it for this weather forecast on your future meteorological market experiences. Have a good rest of your morning and your afternoon and your evening and the rest of your day. God bless you. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.